This is the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and as you can see, a lot of templates which you can use to create your posters or flyers. So some of them you may see a crown icon, which pretty much means you need a subscription to use those. And you can tap over here where you see the pro option down here with the crown icon. This is where you're going to get your subscription. As you can see, prices for a month subscription, yearly subscription, and they do offer a lifetime subscription. So all up to you guys. So at the top here you have some tools which can be used, some AI tools. You have the remote background, you have the AI eraser, and also you have the filter option, otherwise than the templates itself. So let's say you want to edit any one of these templates, whether it be the pro subscription templates or the normal free templates. All you have to do is tap on the one that you want to edit. You also will see some other ones that down here that are very similar to the one at the top that you have selected. Just tap on edit here and will generate files as it relates to the template. And as you can see here, very simple. Once you have selected the template, you'll be able to edit pretty much everything as it relates to the template. And here, as you can see, I've removed everything on the template. So once you have finished editing, also have some other tools here which you can use as well. So once you have finished editing, and it will pretty much save your edit. So yeah, that's really pretty much it, and you can share it with your friends and family, whether it be on WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, which is X right now. So very easy to use. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you guys. See you in the next one.